What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com. Got my new YouTube channel going, working hard for you guys, showing you how to do these affiliate pages. Just started this about a month ago. It's a lot of work, okay? Now, got these lead capture pages, okay? Created the image in Canva, okay? I've actually made this landing page, this lead capture page here with Aweber, okay? You know, if you sign up through me, Canva, Aweber, Bluehost, you know, I use Bluehost for hosting. They're fantastic. Aweber, fantastic. Canva makes an expert out of you. Also, I use a lot of free subdomains with Webstarts, okay? So if you guys sign up with any of these platforms through me, of course, I'm an affiliate. I'll get a small commission, and the price will be the same for you. But things like Aweber is free for the first 500 emails that you get, and it's cheap. It's like $20 a month after that. You know, Webstarts, you can get free Webstarts subdomains. Okay, so I want to create a lead capture page. Now I got this from this private label rights. Okay, I got some links in the description on the private label rights. There's a ton of them out there. Okay, so I'm basically, what I like to do a lot of times is take a make a bridge page or landing page out of these ebooks as well. Okay, now this particular one, let me go ahead and find this guy. Okay, give me one second. Alright, so it comes together in a zipped up folder. Most of you guys notice. Okay. Okay. And this is the 7 most common mistakes that affiliate marketing's made. Okay, now you're always going to want to read their license, and of course we got all these yeses. You can do anything you want with this. Okay, you can do anything you want with this. Now they have a squeeze page thing going on. They have an e-cover. Okay, both are kind of old, both kind of outdated. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I want to take this lead page, this lead capture page, okay, and we're going to very quickly make a new one. I'm going to do it very quickly for the sake of keeping this video short. Now, again, you got to sign up for Webstarts. It's free, okay. Click that link down below in the description for Webstarts. You won't regret it, okay, because it's absolutely free. It's a great way to practice, okay. Now, we don't have to choose a domain name, okay, or of course you can use your own. Like if you're hosting on Bluehost, you can actually enter it here, okay. You know, as far as anything, it'll if you want to sign up with them too, they can host you. Webstarts is the ultimate drag and drop, and they are one-stop shopping for doing your affiliate marketing, because you can do your email through them as well. Okay, so now I'm not going to do a name. Okay, you know, we can choose it later. All right, it'll just give us a long number. Now, what I want to do is I want to bring this up to date. Okay. In its day, this was probably a good thing, you know. And what they do is, like, they give you this, and they call it the squeeze page, index number 2. I'm not sure. Okay, so it's a little different. They got some little more text in there. Okay, but it's very, very primitive. Okay, so let's start from scratch. I just picked a blank one, and you could use a template, but the only thing when you use a template, okay, we don't want to do the tour. You can do the tour. In affiliate marketing, you really don't want a header on there that has a menu. So just for now, we're going to take that out of there like that. Okay. So I'm going to just copy this real quick. And again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this video, and then in part 2, I'm going to show you, I'm going to make you know, I'm going to make the images. Let me darken this up a little bit so we can see it better. I'm going to revamp this ebook cover and show you how to make that a lot better too, okay? So that's a really cool thing as well. Now we're going to do this real quick, okay? We're going to say like, and these colors are nice. Colors are definitely nice. And again, I'm just going to do this very quickly. I think there's any. What's that one says? Ready? Yeah, it's all pretty much the same. Okay, so we're going to add some text. Subheading. Okay. Select all. E. Okay, and then, you know, what we're going to do, let's see, let's put this over here. Let me see, how about that? Okay, now we're going to add image. Let's upload the image. We could search for an image. Okay, let's search for see what that comes up with. Well, let's try this. Okay, nothing spectacular coming up there. Let's go find the file. Just upload this real quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is pretty dull, but we're going to upload it now. Just so I can show you how to use this, okay? We're going to insert it. Okay, let's get rid of that. Shrink this down just a little bit. Now this is the ultimate drag and drop, okay? And just for now, again, I'm going to revamp this to show you how nice we can make it. Okay. But basically, you know, you're going to want, like I don't want this. Okay, when it comes to a landing page, lead capture page, you want to be right to the point with things, okay? You want to be right to the point. Give them no extras for anything, okay? So let's see now. We could do a two-step sign-in with a button if we wanted to, okay? All right, we're not going to do it like that today. Okay, contact form. Enter contact form. We're going to do name, email. Okay, name. Doesn't have to be full name. Just has to be name. Nobody really, you know. Now, if we wanted to put something here, see how that's going in there? We could do it, but we're not going to do it. We're going to make it required. Same thing with the email address. We're going to make it required. We're going to insert the form very quickly and easily with Webstarts. You can do your form, okay? And now we're going to add a shape. We're going to do a box. This is the way I like to do it anyway, okay? I'm going to go right behind that. I'm going to just wiggle this a little bit. We're going to attach that form to the box. And we're going to go customize that box. Styles. I like this look here. Okay. So now, when I move that box, that'll be attached. Okay. We're going to save it. We're going to view it. Okay, and spadam. That quickly, I made a lead capture page using Webstarts, the ultimate drag and drop. Okay, in under 10 minutes, gang. Okay, under 10 minutes. Now, I'm going to tweak it out a little bit. At the most, what I'm going to do in my next video, I'm going to go to Canva and I'm going to revamp that. Okay, I will make a video on that to show it. But after I make the new ebook cover design, I'm going to revamp this, okay? So this is Ray, the old DOS geek from rwcweb.com. Got my new YouTube channel going, working real hard for you guys. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe because that's what they tell me to do. You take care.